Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Autocad drawing for electrical engineering. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the Autocad interface, including the ribbon, command line, and drawing area. Focus on essential drawing tools like lines, arcs, and circles, and practice using them accurately. Next, explore how to set up drawing units and layers, which are crucial for organizing your electrical designs. Understanding these foundational elements will provide a strong base for more complex tasks. Once you grasp the basics, dive into electrical symbols. Autocad allows you to create and insert predefined blocks for components like resistors, capacitors, and switches. Learning to use dynamic blocks can significantly speed up your drawing process, as they offer flexible modifications. Always adhere to industry standards such as ANSI or IEC to ensure your drawings are universally understood and compliant. This consistency is vital for professional electrical engineering designs. Progress to more advanced techniques, including creating detailed wiring diagrams and panel layouts. Learn to use annotation tools for text, leaders, and dimensions to clearly label your components and measurements. Proper dimensioning ensures accuracy and clarity in your designs. Additionally, master managing drawing scales and plot settings to produce professional, readable prints. These skills are essential for translating your digital designs into tangible, usable documents for construction or manufacturing. To solidify your learning, apply your Autocad skills to practical electrical engineering projects. Start with small, manageable tasks and gradually increase complexity. Utilize online resources like tutorials, YouTube channels, and community forums to troubleshoot issues and learn new tricks. Engaging with other users can provide valuable insights and support. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent practice and continuous learning are key to becoming proficient in Autocad for electrical engineering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.